hard. Too hard.
Okay.
I like this song.
You like this song?
Oh, yeah.
Rob's out in the cold making our dinner. You're not cold, Bubba? No?
I'm drinking, so no.
This is dedication to his family. It smells so good. Take that cancer stick out your mouth. He won't lose that, guys. Y'all need to tell him why he needs to quit smoking. Whatever. Hi guys, Sunday. Have a birthday party to go to, so I had to put stuff on my face. Maddie, his hair not washed. Gotta grab a gift for the birthday boy. I don't know how I feel about this jacket. It's gonna keep me warm, but at the same time, I don't know how I feel about the jacket. This is what it looks like. And I gotta give y'all a better view. That's not a good view. This is the jacket. Rob says it looks good. I don't know. It's just floating on me. It's a little too big. But I don't like wearing my big puffy jacket around. It's just, and I'm like extremely cold. Let me brush Maddie hair so we can go. We're on our way to this birthday party. Rob is low-key bipolar. You know that, right? I asked him, I said, can you take me to go get the kids Chromebook and stuff, because they switched them back to virtual now. They were in building 2 days, literally 2 days, and I just feel like I want to scream so bad because it's like back and forth, back and forth. The county goes into red every other day. It goes in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, and it's like the kids are like in, out, just like that. So now the kids are back in back virtual, and now we gotta go pick up materials for this week. And I asked him, can he take me? He's like, no, I'm not going that way. And then all of a sudden he's taking the ramp to get onto the little, what is it, a highway? Is it a highway, babe? No, it's not. It's a route, right? Whatever. Route, why you look like a big teddy bear? Anyways, back to what I was saying. He's so puffed up, like he wants huffed and puffed. What is going on right here? Is the car about to shut off? Anyways, so he gonna go. I was like, that's so nice of you to take me. He gonna get mad. How about it's not about being nice. My kids are being loud, right? It's like, it's not about being nice. It's my fatherly duty. But you just said you weren't gonna take me though. Like, legit wasn't gonna take me. So he's taking me, so I don't have to go anywhere tomorrow. I can just stay home and just be, yeah, not great. Rob is teaching them how to be independent.
Hey Jason.
DoorDash.
DoorDash. How was it? Did Jason freak out?
No. She said I packed stuff. I was gonna say something, but yeah.
Oh, look at you.
Your father.
She said half what?
She said like all of it.
So there's a drive-through. We could have easily went through the drive-through, but Rob wants Jason to be more like, he's 14. He just turned 14. But he's very timid and shy, and we're trying to break him out of that, because in 2 years, or in less than 2 years, he's gonna get a job, and we're trying to prep him for the real world now, so that, you know, he doesn't become socially awkward. So we sent him with Miss Destiny here, because she's like the queen of everything. So it's only 4 in here.
I ate one.
Oh, you just, oh, okay. I was about to say, anyways, so Rob stopped and got coffee, and the kids got their donut back there. And yeah, we're about to go pick up a birthday gift and then head to the birthday party. No, people, listen to Rob. Rob is really wicked. Rob said, out of nowhere, we're driving. We're driving. Deep in thought. Him, not me. He goes, I wonder what I would do if I'm a single dad. What? Wait a minute, where am I? First of all, don't ask me for no tips or tricks until we figure out what me then. Where am I? Like, am I dead? Am I gone? Did you divorce me? Where am I? Because I give out no tips and tricks how you go survive being a single father until I figure out where I am. Whether I'm in the grave, whether I'm somewhere else, where. And he goes, never mind. Of course, never mind, because I'm not telling you nothing until I figure out where am I. Am I wrong? Comment down below if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, then I give him some tips and tricks. But first of all, the audacity to just what do you mean wondering? Where I'm wondering, where am I?
You're very much alive.
Yeah, but how are you gonna be a single dad if I'm here?
I was just wondering, how would I do it? Being a single dad.
Where am I? Before we.
And working.
Oh, you mean in that aspect?
Yeah.
Like, but still, where am I? I'm still stuck on that part because first of all, I don't like to be missing or not included. You know what I mean? But the man have a legitimate concern, but still, it leaves me to be frightened because I'm like, where am I? But you could do it though, babe. I think that you're like the backbone to our family, so I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to do it far better than I'm doing it.
Okay, I can do Vlogmas too.
I found my sister and her girls in Walmart in a whole different state. Now I gotta find the line because the line is just trying to find the line in this Walmart is ridiculous, stupid. I've never seen this many people. You're following me. They're getting a tree just now.
Yes, I should get a tree. I'm going to come to your house and steal your tree, honestly.
Whatever. Now I have to go find the line. No, seriously, it's going to take us about an hour to get out of here. Whatever. Good morning, guys. So, I have a box that came last night. On Sunday. I don't know where they do that at. But, let's unbox it. And this is from Decor Steals. They have these baskets that I wanted from Target on sale. Oops. It comes with this thing that you can put on the. Here's the biscuit. I've been wanting this basket from Target that looks just like this, but you know it's sold out. And they don't carry it anymore. So I got 3. These are a set of 3, and this was what? I think I paid in total $60 shipped. You know, the first deal is like $5 shipping. So, I love it. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna put this. Okay, guys, so this is where I put it. I'm putting one right here by the door. And that's what that looks like. It's so stinking cute. Put some flowers in there. And yeah. Oh my gosh. I love it. Good morning, guys. So we're officially back into virtual. Don't mind my bonnet. Whatever. Got my coffee. I gotta go do lunch pickup. I started a load of laundry. These kids are so loud. No. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Jordan.
So loud.
Good morning, Destiny. And Miss Madison. Good morning, Jack. He's concentrating. So I started a load of laundry. I need to go get dressed because I have to go do their lunch pickup for the week. Our county gives free lunches regardless of your income. Let me say that again because you have people who come on here and be like, nah. No, our county gives free lunches regardless of your income. So yeah, I take advantage of that. And I just spilled my coffee. And I'm looking for a dirty shirt to clean it up. So like I said, I'm doing laundry. I'm gonna clean the entire house today. If I have time. I have to go pick up dinner. I'm doing another crock pot dump and go. Hopefully you guys like those. This week I'm gonna try not to do so much soupy stuff. And do like actual meal. So I have to run to Target. I have to finish my Christmas list shopping, but my anxiety is getting the best of me, so it's just best if I just calm down and not think about shopping or spending money, and I'll be okay. I'll be okay. So let's go to Target. Okay, so I'm all ready. Love this cup because every time I come back, coffee is still the same temperature. That's what I meant to say. Not putting on any makeup today because I've been wearing makeup all weekend, and yeah. I was gonna wait to put this load that's going in the dryer, but I'm late. I have to be in line by 10 o'clock, and I can't find my shoe.
Because she's supposed to pick up the lunch.
I'll be back with y'all hot lunches by 12.
Okay.
Bye. Okay, all done with Target. I racked up a whole bunch for no damn reason, but they had a good sale. They had good sales on LOL doll. It wasn't a part of the, you get $25 off 100 if you purchase toys, but LOL was not included. Bullshit. This is where I come to pick up their lunches. This was not the greatest setup in my car. I'm literally driving so slow. I have to come to a stop sign right now, but I'm literally driving so slow because I don't want this box to fall over because I sat it and then my coffee cup spilled coffee all over. I need Jesus this morning. Oh my gosh, it's 11:11 and I have to put my crock pot meal on. I have my meat and stuff and I'm done for the day. Time goes by so fast. Oh my gosh, I hope I'm going the right way. I think this, yeah, because you know I'm new around here, like 3 years, and I'm still struggling to find my way around. Time to merge. Alright, we're good. Alright, so I'm gonna go home, set up my crock pot. Let me turn around. Alright, much better. So I'm gonna go home and set up my crock pot and finish my laundry and put away Madison's big gift because I got her a really big gift and I don't know how to sneak it in the house. I don't know how I'm gonna sneak this big old thing in the house, but I can't wait to show you guys everything I got her. I'm done for her. I'm in the house. I had to hide her in her room so that she didn't see it. She's about to eat lunch. We still have a couple kiddos on. We still have a couple of kiddos on Zoom, but I think two's finished. Still have 3 going strong. I'm gonna show y'all what they got today for their hot lunch today. Because they get 1 hot lunch on Monday and the rest is all cold. So this is a burger. What are these? Tater tots, and then this is the fixing for their burger. And they usually get a fruit and a juice and their milk. So I have a ton of milk here. This box is like, so they each get 10 milk. So, oh, this is gonna fall. So each bag I think has 2, 4, 5 milk. They stopped giving 10 because it was way too much. Yes?
Oh, they finally noticed.
Yeah, they finally noticed that too much milk.
It's like parents are receiving more and more.
I know, it's a lot. And then this is the bag. So one kid get each a bag. Let me see if I can show you guys what's in the bag. So, let's dump it out. It's a lot of stuff. This really comes in handy. So, they get their breakfast. So these are all cereal for 5 days. These are all sandwiches for 4 days. They have their fruit cups. This week they got mandarin, and then they got their juices and their cheese. Okay, so let's do a little haul. I went to Target to go take advantage of the 25 off $100 toy deal. So I figured I'd just grab dinner. I'm supposed to go grocery shopping, but I have to go out tomorrow. So I might as well just, plus the Walmart is up that way. So I might as well just do it tomorrow. But I needed food for dinner. This is getting too long. I picked up some beef broth. I'm gonna do beef and broccoli in the crock pot for tonight's meal. So I got the sirloin steak, and then I got some broccoli cuts to put in at the very end. Picked up some eggs because Destiny been bugging me about bacon, and then I picked up some brown gravy, and then I did this one too. That's all gonna go in the crock pot right now. I got some coffee creamer because I'm running low, and I got the caramel waffle cookies, and then I just got some regular whip and a thing of milk, just in case if I don't make it out tomorrow to go grocery shop. Okay guys, so dinner's put on. It's 12:11. I need to find something to eat because I do this all the time. I haven't even had breakfast yet. Need to put the stuff away. Need to switch over the laundry. I need to get the garbage together and get it out the house. I need to clean the refrigerator, but I don't even think that's gonna happen today because it's already 12 o'clock. I'm thinking I need to paint the walls because they're looking a little too like dirty, and that makes my anxiety like really bad. I need to put away I feel like I can't focus. I don't know why. I'm gonna go tend to the laundry first. Let me do that and then come back in the kitchen because why is there a sock right there? I said specifically, there's still stuff on the floor. Like, come on, dudes. Like, I know you guys see this stuff. You have to see it because if I see it, I know you guys see it. I know you guys see it, and it's just like you go around it. Please pick it up because you guys put it there, not me. Okay. Woosah, woosah. Just say that with me. Woosah. Isn't this the cutest little dryer sheet storage container? I love it. It smells amazing. I got it in that one over there. But I think it's so cute. I'm running on load right now. I think I'm gonna do Rob's clothes right now. Okay, 2 more gifts just came in. I don't know who these are for. I was able to get my hands on the boys' big gift and Rob's. So I don't know what's in these boxes. I am so excited because I only have like 4 more packages to come in, and then I'm done with shipping because a lot of them were pushing like really close to the December 24th little window, and I'm just like, no. So I'm glad stuff are coming in at like 3 to 4 days max. So I appreciate that. Like, yeah. Dinner's done, and we're about to sit down and eat. Rob came home early. He came out 3:17. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Yes, 3:16. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.